Clogged drains are one of the most common problems in kitchens and bathrooms. What a nightmare it can be. Fortunately, clogged drains are also one of the easiest home repairs you can tackle. And that's because most often, the cause of the blockage is due to food waste, hair, or soap residue. So before calling a plumber, give the following methods a try. There's a pretty good chance that you can fix the problem yourself. Method 1: Baking soda and vinegar. This classic and effective method involves using a combination of baking soda and vinegar to create a chemical reaction that breaks up clogs. Start by pouring 1/2 cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by 1/2 cup of vinegar. The mixture will fizz and bubble, helping to dislodge the clog. Allow it to sit for about 30 minutes, then flush the drain with hot water to wash away the debris. Method 2: Bent wire hanger. If the baking soda and vinegar method doesn't work, you can try using a bent wire hanger. Straighten out a wire hanger and bend one end into a small hook. Carefully insert the hook into the drain and use it to fish out any hair, food particles, or other debris that may be causing the clog. This method can be particularly effective for removing blockages near the surface. Method 3: Drain snake. A drain snake is a versatile tool that can be very effective at unclogging drains. It's a long, flexible tool that you can insert into the drain to physically break up and remove clogs. You can usually rent a drain snake from hardware stores. Insert the drain snake into the drain and rotate it while applying gentle pressure to dislodge and pull out the clog. Method 4: Plunger. Using a plunger is a straightforward and widely known method to clear clogs. Place the plunger over the drain opening, ensuring a good seal, and then push and pull it vigorously. The pressure created by the plunger's movement can help to break up and dislodge the clog. This method is particularly effective for sinks, showers, and tubs. Method 5: Salt and hot water. This method utilizes the abrasive and dissolving properties of salt along with the heat of hot water to clear clogs. Begin by pouring 1 cup of salt down the drain, followed by 2 cups of hot water. The combination of salt and hot water can dissolve grease and other debris, allowing the clog to be washed away. Method 6: Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a potent oxidizer that can help break down clogs. Pour 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide down the drain, followed by 1 cup of hot water. Allow the mixture to sit for around 30 minutes. The hydrogen peroxide will work to break up the clog's materials. Afterward, flush the drain with hot water to clear it. Method 7: Dish soap. Dish soap can aid in lubricating the drain and making it easier to remove the clog. Start by pouring 1/4 cup of dish soap down the drain, followed by 1 cup of hot water. Let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes. The soap's slippery texture can help to dislodge the clog. Finish by flushing the drain with hot water. Method 8: Lime juice. Lime juice's acidic properties can aid in dissolving clogs. Pour 1 cup of lime juice down the drain, followed by 1 cup of hot water. Allow the mixture to sit for approximately 30 minutes. The acidity of the lime juice can break down the clog's materials. Finish by flushing the drain with hot water. Method 9: CocaCola. Coca-Cola's acidity can also help dissolve clogs. Pour 1 can of Coca-Cola down the drain, followed by 1 cup of hot water. Allow the mixture to sit for about 30 minutes. The acidity of the cola can aid in breaking down the clog. Finish by flushing the drain with hot water. Method 10: Chemical drain cleaner. Using chemical drain cleaners is a last resort due to their potential harm to health and the environment. If other methods have failed, carefully follow the directions on the label of the drain cleaner. Wear protective gloves and eye protection when handling these chemicals. These cleaners work by breaking down the clog's materials, but they should be used cautiously and sparingly. Perhaps the most essential preventive strategy is to avoid dumping harmful items down the drain, particularly fats and oils, coffee grounds, food scraps, and hair. It's also a good idea to replace your standard drain stopper with one that prevents unwanted materials from going down the drain in the first place. You can also pour in equal parts vinegar and baking soda on a regular basis, generally once or twice a month, to keep your drains running clear and smelling fresh. If you have tried all of these methods and the clog is still there, you may need to call a professional plumber. Here are some tips to prevent drains from clogging in the future. Avoid pouring grease, oil, or fat down the drain. Use a strainer to catch hair and food particles. Flush the drain with hot water after each use. Clean the drains regularly with a commercial drain cleaner or a homemade solution. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.